Hello students, in the previous lectures we had discussed how to find the limit of indeterminate form of the type 0 by 0. Now in this lecture we'll apply L'Hospital rule to determine or to find the limit of indeterminate form of the type infinity upon infinity. And let us explain what this infinity upon infinity determinate form is. If fx and gx are two differentiable functions in the neighborhood of a point A and g of x is not equal to 0 in the deleted neighborhood of A, and number one, limit x is to a of fx is equal to limit x is to a of gx is equal to infinity, and second, limit x is to a of f dash x upon g dash x exists, then limit x to a of fx upon gx is equal to limit x is to a of f dash x upon g dash x. Notice, if limit x is to a of f dash x upon g dash x is again infinity upon infinity form, it's indeterminate, again indeterminate form, we repeat the process until the limit exists or the limit is a finite number. The above limit can be applied if a is replaced by minus infinity or plus infinity. So, and the next is we'll solve the indeterminate form of the type infinity minus infinity. If limit x is to a of fx is equal limit g a x plus to a of gx is equal to infinity. If limit x approaches to a of fx and is equal to limit x approaches to a of gx is equal to infinity, then indeterminate then the indeterminate form this limit x is to a of fx minus gx can be written as limit x is to a of fx minus gx upon fx into gx upon 1 upon fx into gx. It means we will divide the numerator by this by 1 upon fx and divide the multiply and divide by fx gx, and numerator will be taken to the denominator, and this will be converted into the form limit x is to a of 1 upon fx 1 upon gx minus 1 upon x upon 1 upon fx into gx. My means if we change this difference of the infinity minus infinity, it will be either converted into 0 by 0 form in the neighborhood of A, or it is converted to infinity upon infinity form. You can convert both the forms, and if this is converted into either 0 by 0 infinity form or infinity upon infinity 0 form, infinity upon infinity form, indeterminate form, then we can apply or L'Hospital rule to evaluate the limit. Next is if the indeterminate form is of the type 0 indeterminate, means limit we are given the function limit of the product fx and gx x goes to a limit of one function 0 and other is infinity. So this again indeterminate form. The explanation of this is if limit x approaches to a of fx is 0 and limit x is to a of gx is infinity, then uh, then to find limit x approaches to a fx into gx is equal to limit x approaches to a of fx upon 1 upon gx or limit x to a of gx upon 1 upon fx, which are of the form 0 by 0 or infinity upon infinity as approaches to a, can be evaluated with the help of the algorithm. So now let us solve problem based on them. Evaluate the limit x approaches to 0 of log of sin x upon cot of x. Now first we'll substitute the value and check whether this is the indeterminate form or not. If it is in indeterminate form, then we can apply L'Hospital rule to solve this, to evaluate the limit of this function. So x is 0, sin 0 is 0, log of 0, minus infinity, cot of 0. Cot of 0 is equal to how much? Cot of 0 is equal to tan 0 is equal to infinity. This is infinity of form. Now let fx is equal to log of sin of x and gx is equal to cot of x. We can check it also. If limit x is 0 of fx is equal to limit x is 0 of log of sin x is equal to 0, this is minus infinity. Limit x is 0 of gx limit x is 0 of x is 0 of cot of x is equal to infinity. Now this is which form? Infinity upon infinity form. This is a infinity upon infinity form. Now, if it's in different form, then we can apply L'Hospital rule to its limit. That is, limit access to a 0 of fx upon gx is again the same limit access to 0 of f dash x upon g dash x, and so on. If it is a finite number, it's a limit. If it is again in determinate form, then this will be again equal to limit x approaches to 0 of f double dash x upon g double dash, second derivative of f upon second derivative of gx, and so on. So let's see left hand side, limit this in determinate form, we differentiate it. This is fx upon gx, this is f dash upon gx, limit x is to 0. Limit of the derivative of log x 1 upon sin x, dx of sin x is equal to cos x. And dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square. Now again, cosecant is here, we will simplify it. Cos, we will convert it into sin cos, limit x is 0 of cosecant is minus sin is here. So minus will be taken up, and this limit x is 0 of 1 cosecant 1 upon sin will be put in numerator, sin cancel, this will be equal to sin x cos x. Sin x cos x, now sin x is cos x is equal to limit x is to minus sin is limit x is to 0 of 2 divided by 2. 2 sin x cos 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin 2. This is equal half is outside, minus half limit x is to 0 of sin of 2x, sin of 0 equal to 0. Or straight away we can substitute here also, limit x is 0 minus limit x is 0 of cos x is 1, limit x is 0 of sin x is equal to 0, 0 to 1 equal to. We have to eliminate some denominator. Our aim is to eliminate in this with the help of L'Hospital rule. If you are finding a limit, our aim is to eliminate infinity or 0 from the denominator. We are doing this. We are doing all this to eliminate denominator. The next is evaluate the limit x is to 0 of log of x square upon cot x square. Again, given is this, we'll check whether which form is this. Log of 0 is equal to minus infinity, log of cot is equal to infinity. This is infinity upon infinity, minus infinity or infinity form by L'Hospital rule. We can evaluate this by L'Hospital rule. So this is equal to, again, this fx of gx, so this is equal to f dash x upon g dash x. Index is to 0 of fx of gx is equal to limit 0 of f dash x g dash x. Differential of this is equal to 1 upon x square, and dx of x is equal to 2x, and dx of cosecant cot square equal to minus cosecant square, dx of x is equal to 2x. X cancel, this is equal to 1 upon x square. Rearrange the terms, sin x square x square. Now limit x approaches 0. So as x approaches 0, x is very small. So x square will still smaller. The x square will also approach 0. Or we can substitute here x square to t, x square to t. So as x is 0, t as t approaches 0, t will approach 0. This is sin t, limit t approaches 0, sin t upon t. Both way can be calculated. So this is or we can solve it otherwise. This is equal to this is 0, or we can apply formula here. We can apply, no, we can't apply formula. We can apply formula by substitution. With x square is equal to, if we put here x square is equal to t. So as x approaches to 0, t approaches to 0. T equals 0. This limit t equals 0. Limit t equals 0. Sin t upon t should come. And my sin is same. Or we can apply, because this is 0 form. 0 form. We can also apply formula can be applied. I told you have to apply formula if the formula is before solving the problem this way, or if 0 form and infinite form is there, you can apply L'Hospital rule also. Minus limit, so the derivative this is fx, f double dash x, or g double dash x is equal to fx upon g dash x. So this is equal to 2x square, dx to sin x cos x square, dx to x equal to 2x, x equal to 2x, 2x cancel, this cos. Next is evaluate the limit x is 0 of x over n upon e for x. Now x is to infinity is here, we can replace with. So for all n belongs to n as natural. Now infinity upon infinity form, so we can apply L'Hospital rule. Again differentiating this, and x by minus 1, so x is equal to same. Again infinity upon infinity. So again apply differential, apply L'Hospital rule. So this is equal to limit x to infinity of n into x dimension x to n minus 2 upon the second infinity. So we have to repeat this L hospital n times. So after applying n times, so n derivative of x to n will be how much? This will be n factorial. So last derivative will be index is 0 of n into n minus 1 into 1 to 1 upon e square x. So as x goes to infinity, this will be equal to infinity. This is infinity. Infinity 1 to infinity is equal to 0. E is equal to e is greater than 1 by 2. E is value of e is equal to 2.73. So e square infinity is equal to 2.73 square infinity is equal to infinity. So 1 upon equal to 0. Now again evaluate the limit. Evaluate the limit x is to pi by 2 for positive log of x minus pi by 2 upon tangent of x. Now put pi by 2. Log of 0 minus infinity. Tangent of pi by 2 infinity. Infinity. So we can apply absolute rule here. So applying absolute, this is equal to limit x is to a of fx upon gx is equal to index to a of fx upon gx. So derivative this is equal to 1 upon x minus pi by 2. Dx of x minus pi by 2 is equal to 1, and the dx of tangent is secant square x. Secant square x. So this is equal to convert secant is there, convert into sine and cos. So cos upon x minus. So as it approaches to pi by 2 from positive, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 is equal to 0 by 0 form. Again, we can apply L hospital rule here also. So therefore, this will fx upon gx, so it's fx upon gx. So differential is equal to 2 cos x, dx of cos x equal to minus sin x, minus is here, dx of x minus pi by 2 is constant, x, dx of x is equal to 1, pi by 2 is 0. So this will be equal to minus 2 cos x sin x. So we can apply formula here, sin 2x, so this will be equal to 0, sin 2x, or get separately. Sin 2x, the limit x is 0, x to pi by 2 of sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to, this is how much? Sin 2x is equal to sin of pi, sin pi is equal to 0. Next is, evaluate the limit x is to x to a from positive of log of x minus a upon log of e square x minus e square a. Now again, put a x equal to a minus a log of 0 is equal to minus infinity. Put a is equal to log of this infinity minus infinity form, or that is equal to infinity upon infinity form. So we can apply L hospital rule to this. So differential this fx upon differential gx, limit x is to a from positive is equal to 1 upon x minus a. This is equal to differential of log of this is equal to 1 upon e square x minus 2a. Dx of this is equal to e square x upon this. Now again simplifying it, rearranging the terms, is equal to limit x is to a from positive of e power x minus e power a upon x minus a into e power x. So x is equal to a, put x equal to a, this 0, again 0 by 0 form. Again we can apply L hospital rule here. So after applying this is equal to differential limit is equal to e power x, it's a constant, derivative this will be 0. Now we have to apply product here, u into v. First function is differential second plus second function is differential first is 1 is equal to, now limit of this is equal to limit of this x approaches to a, x approaches to a from positive, x approaches to a from positive is equal to this. So this is equal to e for x, limit x is to a from positive. So e for x is common, cancel out the factor, x is to a from positive, a minus a is equal to a minus a cancel is equal to 0. And evaluate the limit x approaches to 0 of 1 upon e square x minus 1 upon x is equal to, now you can see the question, is equal to infinity minus infinity form. X is 0, is for 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity, 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity, infinity minus infinity form. So it will be converted into either 0 by 0 form. So take LCM, either 0 by 0 or infinity form. In order to find the evaluate this limit infinity minus infinity, it will either be converted into 0 by 0 form or infinity indeterminate form. So take LCM, simplify it, and check it. After checking 0, 0, this is 1 minus 1, 0 by 0, 0, 0 form. So we can apply L hospital rule. We have, before applying L hospital rule, we have to check whether it is 0 by 0 form or in infinity form. If the two forms exist, then we can apply absolute. So this is equal to differential numerator is equal to 1 minus e square x. E square x is differential e square x is equal to constant is 0. The product is in the numerator. This is equal to x. The dx of this is equal to e square x, and e square x into differential x is equal to 1. U into v. So numerator separate, differential separate. Now again, check whether it is which form is this. X is equal to 0, 0, and 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is x into x 0, this is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 0 by 0 form. Again, we can apply L hospital rule to this. So this is equal to limit x to 0 of e square minus x upon simplify after simplification e square x goes cancel out. Now, when e square cancel out, then we can use the limit put x is equal to x equals 0 in remaining term 1 1 1 is equal to minus 1. Evaluate the limit x approaches to 0 of cot square x minus 1 upon x square. So x 0, put 0, this will infinity, 1 upon 0, infinity, infinity minus infinity form. It will be converted after converting into tan, LCM, cot 1 upon tan, taking LCM and check whether 1 upon this x square minus tan square x square tangent square x. Tan square x is equal to which form? Is equal to tan 0 0 and 0 minus 0.0 form. So now tangent square is here. We will use the formula. So multiply the denominator by x square multiplied by x square. So limit of this function into limit of this function. So limit of this function, limit of this function, limit is equal to 1. Now we are left with this function limit x is 0 of x square minus tan square x upon x square. Now check whether this is indeterminate form. This is equal to limit x 0 0 0.0 form. We can apply Aristotle rule. So differential numerator upon differential denominator. Limit x to 0 or differential of numerator is equal to 2x tangent 2 tangent x secant square x upon 4 x cube. X cube, put secant into 1 plus tan square x. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Simplify it. After simplification, check whether it is which form is this, which integral form is this. X equal to 0 0 0 0 0.0. Again, we can apply L hospital here. Limit x is 0 of, so differential by x1, differential this is equal to secant square x, differential this is equal to 3 tangent secant square x, 3 tangent cube tangent n minus 1 and square x into dx of tangent x is equal to secant square x. Chain rule upon 3 to 6 x square. Again we check 0 is equal to 0, secant 0, 1, 1 minus 1 and 0, 0, 0 upon 0 upon. So again we can apply L hospital rule here also. L hospital rule here also. We can apply L hospital here also. So this is 0 after applying absolute rule. Differentiate this is equal to this, and substitute their values. Secant square is equal to 1 tan square. Secant square is equal to this. We convert it into tangent term. Secant square is equal to 1 minus 1 plus tan square. Simplify it, and then again check. After simplification, we got this. Now put x to 0, 0.0 form again. Again, we can apply L to this. So this is equal to tan square is common. If we, because we have to terminate the term. Tan square common. This is tan square is equal to minus 4 minus 3 tan square x upon 6 into tan x square upon x square. Now limit of product is product limits. Limit of product, limit of this into limit of this. Limit can go inside the bracket. So this is tan square, this is equal to 1 and limit of this. Now x approaches to 0 and 0 0. This is equal to minus. This is minus outside. It's outside, and this is equal to 0 4 by 6 equal to 3 by 2. Now evaluate the limit x approaches to pi by 2 of x tangent x minus pi by 2 secant x. This x is 0 0 or pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2 1 upon 0 infinity minus infinity form. So again convert convert into sine and cos, take LCM, then after simplification put x equal to 0. X is 0, x pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 pi minus pi upon 0 by 0 form. So is zero by zero. Now we can apply absolute rule to solve this. Evaluate this indeterminate form. Limit x is 2 pi by 2 of, now this is equal to differential numerator is equal to how much? This is equal to, this is equal to 2, product will be here 2x, differential x is equal to, is x is equal to 1 2 sin x plus 2x, differential cos x is equal to sin x cos x upon dx of cos x equal to minus sin minus sin. Now again check. Now simplify it. You can 2 is common, 2 cancel out. After canceling out the common factor, take limit x is pi by 2. Substitute the limit here. Okay. Check whether it is which form is this. Pi by 2, sin pi by 2. Or you can use formula here. Sin is here, sin is here. Sin x by 2. So this is equal to sin pi by 2 or sin pi by 2. This is pi by 2 1. Cos pi by 2 0. This is equal to sin by 2 1. This is equal to 1 plus 0 1 1. This is finite limit. Evaluate. Evaluate the limit x is to 0 of sine of x log of x square. Now again, which form is this? Sin 0 0, log 0 is minus infinity. So 0 into infinity. So we'll convert into 0 to infinity or 0 to minus infinity. We have to check whether, now we know that we have to convert into either 0 by 0 indeterminate form or infinity upon infinity, infinity term form. So we have to convert them. This was product. So we convert them log of x upon 1 upon, we take this sin x into denominator. This become limit x to 0 of log of x square upon cosecant x. Now it's 0. Now this is minus infinity upon this is equal to sin 0 upon infinity. So infinity upon infinity form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule here. We have to check it every step. Limit x to 0. Differential numerator is equal to 1 upon x square. Dx of x is 2x. Differential numerator is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. So now cosecant convert them to sine and cos. Convert them sine to cos and simplify them. X square x cancel. 1 upon x is the numerator. Minus sine is here. 1 upon cosecant 1 upon sine cos x upon sine x. And a upon b upon c, apply them, rearrange them terms. This becomes sin x sin square x. This is sin square x upon x, sin square x upon this is equal to x to x multiplied by x divided by x. So we convert this into limit x to 0 of sin x upon x whole square, and this equal to x by cos x. So limit x to 0 of this is equal to 1 minus 1, and limit of this equal to 0 to 0 upon 1. Next is evaluate the limit x is to 0 from positive of x for m log of x is for n. Now this is 0 into log of 0 to infinity form. Again, we have either we convert into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. We have arranged the term in such a way so that it will become either of the two forms, either 0 by 0. So log, we don't take the denominator, so we have taken the x. So we have written x for m is 1 upon x for m. So if you cross multiply them, we will get the same thing. So this is equal to limit x to 0 of log of x to n upon x to the power minus 1 or 1 upon x to the power m. And that's m. So this is equal to how much? So x is to 0 of this how much? Infinity, and this is equal to 1 over 0 infinity form. So we can apply this. So this is equal to differential numerator is equal to n log of x to the power n minus 1, dx of log x to 1 upon x, dx of x to the power minus m x to the power minus 1. So this will be now simplify it, arrange the term minus 1 m upon n, limit x is to 0, constant outside, is equal to log of x to the power n minus 1 upon x to the power minus m. Now again check x equal to 0. 0 is equal to minus infinity upon infinity. Minus infinity form, again we can apply this. So this is equal to minus 1 power 1 m upon n, and this is equal to limit x to 0 of n minus 1 log of x to the power n minus 1 and dx of log x 1 upon x. Denominator equal to minus m minus 1. This is equal to minus m. This was minus m minus 1. It was minus m minus 1 was this. M minus m minus 1. Evaluate the limit x is to 0 from positive of x is for m into log of x is power g n. take the left hand side, this limit x is 0 of x power m into log of x power m. If you put x equal to 0 here, we got 0 into infinity form or 0 into minus infinity form. So in order to evaluate this limit 0 to this infinity form, you have to either convert into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So let's convert it into log will not be taken to the denominator, so we'll take the polynomial function denominator. So this will be equal to limit x is 0 of log of x power n upon x power minus n. So if I put x equal to 0 here, this is equal to minus infinity upon infinity form or infinity form. So we can apply Hospital rule to solve evaluate this indeterminate form. Limit of indeterminate form, limit x is 0 for positive of differential numerator n log of x to the power n minus 1 1 upon x minus differential numerator to minus m x by n minus 1 minus 1. So simplified simplification, minus 1 is here, m upon n is here, log of m upon n is here, minus 1 is the numerator. This is log of limit x to 0 for positive log of x to the power n minus 1 upon x over m. Now again check whether it's in determinate form, put x to 0. Again this is a x to 0 in numerator and denominator function, therefore this will do g minus infinity or 0 by 0 form, sorry, infinity upon infinity form. Again we can apply L'Hopital to evaluate this limit. Minus 1 constant outside, minus 1 is outside upon n upon m is outside. The limit of x to 0 for positive of differential numerator will be n minus 1 log of x to n minus 2 1 upon x, and this is equal to minus m x power m x power minus m minus 1. Again, so after simplification, x will go to the numerator and the power will be the same. So minus 1 is power 2 and m n into n minus 1 upon m square dx of x, limits for x equals to 0 of log of x power n minus 2 upon dx of x power minus n. So again, this is a integer form. So we will apply this L'Hopital n times. N time means because the power of this log of x is terminating. So and if you apply this L'Hopital n times, so we'll get here outside it will be minus 1 minus 2 times minus 1. This n time will be up to n factorial upon m raised by n into limit x to 0 of log of n minus n upon x by m. So n minus n is equal to log of n over 0 is equal to 1, and 0 is equal to 1, and x plus 0 is equal to 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. Now let's evaluate the limit x is 0 of x into tangent of 1 by x. Now the limit x is 0 of x into tangent of 1 by x, this is equal to 1 upon x is x to infinity, this is 0, and 0 is equal to infinity into 0 form. So put, now you want to make it explicit, put 1 upon x is equal to y. In this the value is not easy to calculate, so we'll convert the limit. 1 upon x is equal to y. So as x goes to infinity, y goes to 0. So change the limit. Limit x is to y plus 0 of 1 upon y tangent is equal to limit 0 of tangent y upon y is equal to y upon y in written form, or we can directly use the formula is equal to 1, and or we can apply this also. Thank you very much. Stop sharing.